A is for Aardvark, hawk snuffling through the night. An Aardwolf nearby, glowing in moonlight. African buffalo thunders across the plain, while African bush elephant marches in the rain. The African civet steps softly unseen, and African grey parrot chats in forest green. African wild dog runs fast with its pack, while Agama lizard sun on rocks blue-backed. The Albatross glides over waves of the sea, swims with a slow, cool slide, while Alpaca hums on the mountainside. Anaconda coils where the river bends, Anchovy sparkles as the school descends. The Angelfish floats like a jewel in the deep, and the tiny fant marches in lines that keep. The Armadillo hiss where the termites roam. Antelope leaps in a golden red dome. Arctic fox trots where cold winds blow, and Arctic hare bounds over fields of snow. An A-letter kingdom of creatures in flight on land.